Hello Joyce, I was so bored during the summer holiday. What did you do last summer?
Lucky me! I joined a meaningful and interesting program called Hong Kong U Summer English Program.
What did you do in the Hong Kong U Summer English program?
We interacted with exchange students through Zoom 7 times in July, and we gave a group presentation at a Hong Kong U lecture theatre.
Whoa, that's amazing! What did you learn from the program?
I learned about social issues, and more importantly, I gained more confidence in using English.
Would you encourage other schoolmates to join this kind of English activities in the future?
Definitely. Through this kind of English activities, I can improve my English skills. I also got my first certificate issued by HKU.
I knew that a total of 61 students from S2 to S6 attended the Hong Kong U Summer English program in July. Without further ado, let's invite our principal, Ms. Fung, to present the certificates to the representatives.
Hi, I'm Emma Yong from Free Yi. It was a privilege for me to go to Hong Kong U and present the group project with my group mates. It was an enjoyable and memorable experience. The campus of the University of Hong Kong is so big that I could not visit every part of it. If this event is held again next year, I will definitely join it.
I am Sandy Zhang from 2C. I was so happy to have joined this program, in which I learned so many new words. I spoke in front of many people, and I hope I can go there again next time. Thank you, teachers, for making my summertime great.
Thank you, Principal.
Congratulations to all 61 S2 to S6 awardees. I hope all schoolmates will enjoy joining this kind of fun English activities in the future.